Welcome to this guide on replacing your Toyota Yaris key fob battery. If your 2016-2019 model key fob isn't working, a dead battery is the most common cause. This affects functions like locking and unlocking your doors. This video will walk you through the simple replacement process using a CR2032 battery. It's an easy DIY task that costs just $1 to $5 for the battery, helping you avoid expensive dealership service. For replacing your Toyota Yaris key fob battery, you'll need a few simple tools. First, a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin to gently pry open the key fob. Second, a new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. These are inexpensive and widely available at electronic stores and online. Optionally, a jeweler's screwdriver can provide more precision if needed. Locate the small notch on the edge of your Yaris key fob. Insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the notch. Gently twist the screwdriver to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the fob is open, you'll see the circuit board with the old battery clipped in place. Use the screwdriver to gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Pay close attention to the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment with the positive plus side facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Ensure the battery clicks securely into place. Incorrect polarity can lead to rapid battery drain and fob malfunction, as highlighted by Toyota service bulletins. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Make sure the seam is flush and secure. If your fob has a physical key, ensure it's properly housed during reassembly. Now that you've reassembled the key fob, it's time to test it. Stand about 10 to 15 feet away from your Yaris and press the lock button. You should hear a beep and see the lights flash. Then, press the unlock button to test opening the doors. If the key fob doesn't respond, first double-check the battery orientation. Make sure the positive side is facing up, as shown in the illustration. Also, ensure the battery is properly seated in the clip. If issues persist, the internal components might need inspection. To prevent electrostatic discharge, work on a non-conductive surface. Consider using OEM batteries for optimal reliability. While generics can work, inconsistent voltage can sometimes cause erratic signals. If you encounter difficulty, search online forums for Yaris-specific advice and pictures. Remember that future trends point toward keyless systems. However, for now, a simple battery replacement keeps your Yaris fob working.